gentlemen, and the distinguished guests gathered here tonight, welcome to the official handing over ceremony of the Waterfall Residencies Malabe. Give a good round of applause to this amazing, one-of-a-kind concept.
නිවාස දෙකක් මේ සංකීර්ණයේ ලබාගෙන තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මම හිතන මේ වාඩි වෙලා ඉන්න බොහෝ පිරිසක් හිටන් බලනකොට මගේ අසල්වැසියන් බවට පත් වෙනවා.
ජීවිතයේ ඓතිහාසික මොහොතක් තවත් මතක හිටින දවසක් ජීවිතේ අද උදා වෙලා තියෙනවා.
He is the gentle giant of the real estate industry. He is none other than Mr. Premalal Brahmanage, the Group Chairman of Prime Group of Companies.
Today, you are going to be the proud owners of these elegant, amazing villas. You are going to start a new chapter in your life. This is not a completion of another housing project, but a creation of vibrant, exclusive community. These are built with a lot of love, care and respect. I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Dear friends, now I officially hand over to all of you, Waterfall Residencies Malabe. All the very best.
When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I will die for you.
I decided to go with Prime Land because of the reputation they have maintained more than 25 years in the real estate market. Actually, I wanted to buy a house, but finally they gave me a little paradise. I'm really proud to say that.